Manage mode contains a unique feature that has not been covered in great depth by our tutorial content. Smart Collections provides you the ability to catalog by multiple simultaneous metadata characteristics. For example, if you're a fashion or wedding photographer that embeds metadata like ratings, labels, and keywords, this tool might be incredibly useful for creating custom searches for those joint criteria. In Manage mode, navigate to the Properties panel. In it, I will choose the tab at the bottom labeled Organize. From Organize, we'll open up Collections. To better understand collections, let's create a new smart collection within the My Collection set by right-clicking on the set itself. This brings up a dialog box where we can name, place, and add criteria. I'll name this folder Birds and make sure that it is placed under My Collections. Let's make a collection of birds with a rating of 5. In the Match section, let's click Add. I'm going to stick to ACDSee metadata, but as you can see here, we can also include EXIF qualities like ISO, shutter speed, f-stop, IPTC fields like copyright, or even image attributes like specific width and height qualities. Within ACDSee metadata, let's simply click the rating and keyword checkboxes. From there, I will click OK. You will see the match section populated by those characteristics. However, I need to inform both items of a value to search for. Let's add the keyword bird and a rating of 5. When I click OK, the collection will be created, and from here I can actually verify this collection by navigating to the catalog panel on the left. Collections by default may be hidden, so to ensure that it is visible, navigate to Panes and click Collection. Click on the Collection tab. Under My Collection, or whatever respective folder set you placed your collection in, click the Smart Collection that you've created. When I click this collection, you will see a list of images populated with the characteristics I outlined in the Match section. You can add so many different characteristics at once. Play around with the different options. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.